In this short video, I'm going to be showing you how to convert an MP4 file into an AVI on your mobile device. Please note that for this video, I'm using a Samsung device, which is an Android, but the process for what I'm about to show you is going to work exactly the same way for an iPhone as well. So the first thing I want you to do is to head over to the internet and on Google search for file converter, and then look for the cloudconvert.com website. It's super easy to use website. I've been using it for years and I highly recommend it. So right next to convert here, click with the first arrow and then simply search for MP4, click go, and then click on MP4 file. And then 2, this is going to be the file that we're going to be selecting, which is AVI in this case. So we're going to click right there. Then all we need to do is click on the red select file button right here and choose the file that we want to convert. I'm going to use this one in this case. Then all we need to do is click on the big red convert button, and within a few seconds, my MP4 file is going to be converted to AVI. And once the conversion is ready, you'll be presented with your new AVI file where you can download it by clicking the big green download button. And just like that, within a second, I have now converted and downloaded my new AVI file. And yeah, that's pretty much how you convert an MP4 file into AVI. If you have any questions, let me know down in the comments below and I'll be more than happy to help.